morning, students. Today we are going to learn a multiplication and division of shirts. Now, multiplication of shirts, example 1, that is root of 75 into root of suppose 20. Given that this is equal to, you have to bring under one root because square root, both order is the same, so directly we can bring them under one root. 75 multiplied by 20. Now simplify them. 25 3s is 75, then into 4 5s is 20. 25 is a square number, 4 is a square number. So this 25 will come out as 5, into 4 will come out as 2, into root of what is left, 3 into 5 is left. So 5 to the 10, 10 root of 50. This is in the simplest form. Now, example 2. We'll take a root of 32. Root of 32 multiplied by root of 40. Suppose that this is equal to root of 32 into root of 32 into root of 40. So it is equal to as 16 2s is 32. Then 4 10s is 40. Again this 10 can be split as 4 to the 8, 8 5s is 40. Yes, 16 2s is 32, 4 to the 8, 8 5 is 40. So 16 will come out as 4. Then this 2 into 2 2s will come out as 2 only, and 4 is a square number, will come out as 2. So 16 will come out as 4. Then 4 will come out as 2. Into this 2 into 2 will come out as only 2. Into root of what is left out, only left is root of 5. So it is equal to 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 root of 5 in the simplest form. This is multiplication of shirts. Now, division of shirts, example 1. Root of 120 divided by root of 40. Suppose. Then we can take them under one root as in this form. This is also square root. So order is the same. So therefore we can take them under root as 120 divided by 40. 0 0 cancels. Then 4 1s are 4 3s is 12. So this is equal to 3 by 1, and that is equal to as only root of 3. Example 2. Root of 125 divided by root of suppose 25. Now this is equal to under same root 125 divided by 25. 25 ones are and 25 5s are is 125. So root of 5 by 1 is left, that is equal to root of 5 only. So this is in the division of shirts, and this is multiplication of shirts in the simplest form. Now we will learn rationalize the denominator. So see example 1. What is rationalization? Suppose it is given 3 by root of 5. This root of 5 should be converted into whole number. This is rationalization. So its rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor of root of 5 is root of 5 only. Yes. So we have to rationalize this. Take the question. 3 by root of 5. Its rationalizing factor is root of 5 only. So multiply the numerator and denominator both by root of 5, root of 5. So this is equal to 3 into numerator, root of 5 into root of 5. Under this, root of 5 into root of 5 will go under as root of 5 into 5. So this is equal to as 3 root of 5 under, this will come out as only 5. Now root of 5 is converted to whole number. Example 1. Now example 2. Suppose it is given as 6 by 2 root of 3, suppose. It is given like this way. Then, so its rationalizing factor is factor of 2 root of 3 is 2 root of 3 only. So, therefore, we get 6 upon 2 root of 3 multiply by the rationalizing factor 2 root of 3 upon 2 root of 3. This is equal to as 6 2s are 12. 12 root of 3 upon. This is 2 root of 3 into 2 root of 3 into 2 root of 3. Multiply it. So this is equal to as 12 root of 3 upon under 2 2s are here 4. Then under the root it is 3 into 3. 3 into 3. This is equal to as 12 root of 3 upon 4 into 3 will come out as. So 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12. This 4 cancels. So what is left? Root of 3 is left. So only root of 3 is the by 1. Hence it is converted to, the denominator is converted to as a whole number. So it is in the simplest form, it is equal to only root of 3. Now binomial quadratic surds. What are binomial quadratic surds? See, this is a monomial. The denominator which we are rationalizing, the denominator, it is a monomial. This too is a monomial. But if we get this only in the binomial form, then it is called as binomial quadratic surds. Example. Suppose root of 5 minus root of 2. This is given. It's a rationalizing factor of the conjugate. It is also called as conjugates. So, the rationalizing factor or conjugate of this 5 root of 5 minus root of 2 is its opposite, that is root of 5 plus root of 2. Only the sign will change. Then this way we get the rationalizing factor of or it is also called as the conjugate of the binomial quadratic surd. This is an example of binomial quadratic surd. So we'll take an example 1. How to rationalize such type of binomial quadratic surd. So I've taken an example as, suppose 3 by root of 5 minus root of 2. So its conjugate is the conjugate of root of 5 minus root of 2 is root of 5 plus root of 2. So therefore we will take the question 3 by root of 5 minus root of 2. Its conjugate is root of 5 plus root of 2. As we have done rationalizing here, numerator and denominator also both multiplied by the rationalizing factor in the same manner. Numerator and denominator both must be multiplied by the conjugate of the denominator, that is binomial quadratic surd. So upon root of 5 plus root of 2. Now numerator into numerator. So it is 3 into root of 5 plus root of 2 upon. This is in the form of binomial into binomial. Root of 5 minus root of 2 into root of 5 plus root of 2. Binomial into binomial. Yes. So now this is binomial into monomial. So this is equal to 3 root of 5 plus 3 root of 2 upon. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So this is equal to as a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So this is equal to as 3 root of 5 plus 3 root of 2 upon root of 5 for the whole square is equal to only 5 minus root of 2 the whole square will be equal to 2 only. So this is equal to as instead of multiplying we could keep it like this only 3 into root of 5 plus root of 2 upon, because this denominator 5 minus 2 is 3. This 3 and this 3 cancel, so it is equal to only root of 5 plus root of 2 is left. So this is the solution. Second example of binomial quadratic shared. First example is given here. Now second example here I have given. So say here the denominator is 2 root of 7 minus 3 root of 2. So conjugate of 2 root of 7 minus 3 root of 2 is 2 root of 7 plus 3 root of 2. So therefore we will go to the question. Root of 7 plus root of 2 upon 2 root of 7 minus 3 root of 2 multiply by the conjugate, that is 2 root of 7 plus 3 root of 2 upon 2 root of 7 plus 3 root of 2. So binomial, numerator also binomial, here also binomial. Binomial into binomial. So the numerator will be root of 7 plus root of 2 into 2 root of 7 plus 3 root of 2 upon. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So I can write it in that form into 2 root of 7 plus minus 3 root of 2 into 2 root of 7 plus 3 root of 2. A minus b into a plus b. Now this is here with different shades and it is only binomial into binomial. So now we have to multiply this monomial into binomial. There are monomial into binomial. So 7 root of 7 into 2 root of 7 plus 3 root of 2. Then plus root of 2 into 2 root of 7 plus 3 root of 2. Monomial into binomial, monomial into binomial. Then this is binomial into binomial with the same shades as a minus b into a plus b. So this is equal to a squared minus b squared. So it is 2 root of 7 the whole square minus 3 root of 2 the whole square. A squared minus b square. So this is equal to as binomial into monomial, multiply it. See, 2 will remain as it is. Root of 7 into root of 7 will come out as 7 only. So I will just write root of 7 into under root of 7 only, so that it becomes easy for you. Plus into plus is plus. Then this is here 3 into under root of 2 into 7. So again plus into plus is plus. So here it is out of the shade 2 is the coefficient into under root 2 into 7. Then plus into plus is plus. So 3 is the coefficient. Under root 2 into 2. 2 into 2. This is a square. Now square this. 4 into root of 7, the whole square is 7 only. Minus 3 square is 9 into 2 root of 2 square is only 2. So this is equal to as. Now it is 2 root of 14. Sorry. 2 into 7 into 7 will come out as only 7 plus. So 3 into root of 2 sevens are 14. Then plus 2 into root of 2 sevens are 14 plus 3 into root of 2 into 2 will come out as only 2. This is upon whole thing upon 4 sevens are 28 minus 9 twos are 18. Now the next step I'll have to rub this. So here this is equal to as. See 2 sevens are is 14. 2 sevens are 14 plus. Now see they are similar shades. Root of 14, root of 14. So for coefficients we can add. So plus both are same sign, add and put the same sign. So 3 plus 2 coefficients into common shade or similar or like shades as root of 14 and root of 14 plus 3 2 is 6 upon 28 minus 18 will give you as 10. Now 14 plus 6 is equal to what? It is 20. 20 plus this is 5 root of 14 upon 10. Now from these two terms I can take out 5 as common. 5. 5 4 is 24 plus 5 gone out as common, only root of 14 will remain here upon 10. So 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10. So ultimately the answer is 4 plus root of 14 by 2. These 2 and 4 don't make the mistake because of cancelling, because this is in the binomial form and this is monomial form. I have brought it out as common and then cancelled. If like this it comes out common, then only we can cancel. But here coefficient is 1. So nothing comes out common, therefore it will remain as it is. Now this is the last topic of the chapter, absolute values. If suppose x is greater than 0, then absolute of x is equal to x. It is also called as modulus. This is modulus symbol. Or then absolute of x is equal to x, and if x is equal to 0, then absolute of x is equal to 0. That is absolute of x's value is 0. Absolute of 0 is 0 only. And if x is less than 0, that means it's a negative number. Then absolute of minus x is equal to x only, positive only. When the modulus sign goes away, it becomes positive. For example, now if suppose absolute values are given in this form, that is absolute of 5 plus 2, then inside the absolute value only you have to add absolute of 7 is equal to 7. Then example 2 suppose is given as absolute of 3 into 2 minus 4. So then it is equal to as absolute of 3 to the 6, 6 minus 4, that is equal to absolute of 2, and then it is equal to only 2. Now suppose you have example 3. Third example as absolute of 2x minus 2 is equal to as 5. Then we have to take out absolute value as absolute symbols and write the equation form. So 2x minus 2 is equal to, when you take out this, you have to put plus or minus 5. Then once with plus 5 and once with minus 5 you have to solve. So if it is given absolute of something in the equation form is equal to something given, here equal to nothing is given. So when equal to some value is given, then we have to take it as plus or minus values. So this is in equation form. 2x minus 2 is equal to plus 5 will take. So 2x, 2 you take that side, is equal to 5 plus 2. So 2x is equal to 7, or x is equal to 7 by 2. Or now if we have to solve with the, I had taken positive 5 and now with negative 5, or it is or 2x minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Then 2x is equal to minus 5. This will go that side, means plus 2. So 2x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So therefore x value is equal to as 7 by 2 or minus 3 by 2. This is over now. Same type another example. Example 2. That is, suppose absolute of 3x plus 5 is equal to given as equal to 30. Yes. Now 3x plus 5 is equal to plus or minus 30. Now 3x plus 5 is equal to plus 13 you take. So 3x is equal to 13 minus 5. So 3x will be equal to, as 13 minus 5 is 8. So x is equal to as 8 by 3, or 3x plus 5 equal to minus 30. So 3x is equal to minus 13 minus 5. So 3x is equal to, both the signs are same, add and put the same sign. So it will be minus 18. So 3x is equal to minus 18. Sorry, x is equal to minus 18 by 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 6 the 18. So therefore here x is equal to minus 6. So therefore x value is equal to 8 by 3 or minus 6.